In today's digital world, making money online has become easier than ever. Whether you are looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, the internet provides a plethora of opportunities to turn your skills and passions into profit. However, with so many options available, it can be challenging to determine which methods are truly effective and worth your time and effort. That's why we've compiled a list of 7 proven ways to make money online, so you can get started on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence. Freelancing: offer your services as a freelance writer, graphic designer, or web developer to businesses and individuals. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with potential clients and start earning money. Selling products online: set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon and sell physical or digital products. This is a great option if you have a creative flair or are looking to turn a hobby into a business. Affiliate marketing: promote other people's products on your website or blog and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Dropshipping: partner with a supplier to sell products on your website without having to hold any inventory. Your supplier will handle all the shipping and handling, while you focus on marketing and sales. Online tutoring: share your knowledge and expertise with students around the world by offering online tutoring services. Content creation: create valuable and engaging content in the form of blog posts, videos, or podcasts and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Investing in the stock market: use your research skills and knowledge of the stock market to invest in stocks and other securities. This is a long-term strategy, but the potential for substantial returns makes it a popular option for many online entrepreneurs. In conclusion, making money online is a great way to take control of your financial future and turn your skills and passions into profit. With so many options available, it's important to find the method that works best for you and fits your unique skills and interests. Whether you choose to offer your services as a freelancer, sell products, or invest in the stock market, the opportunities are endless. So start exploring and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality.